Alright, good morning and welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining us, my name is Penny and I do car meets, car repairs, car shows, car events, and car spotting. Do a bunch of everything. Today we are headed over there to the city of Long Beach. Previously, before, Cruising PCH had several different car events here. I really call them car events because they're massive. More like car shows perhaps, but they do have several vendors out there, you know, for the, what's it, EFI, the intakes and stuff like that. So over there, here and there. They are, I believe, every third Sunday of the month. If you guys haven't checked out the page already, it's called Cruising PCH. That is their page with the Q Cruising. You know, previously before, if you guys haven't seen, Chill Flow Nights, that really wasn't our night. It kind of got robbed by a bunch of trucks. I know for sure those weren't our followers. Those weren't our people. Now, once again, shout out to SoCal Tesla, you know, Tesla SoCal, and shout out to Stocking Schwipps for bringing his group, and you know, everybody that showed up. It's a nice Lotus that just passed by. I don't know if you guys seen that in the camera right there, but yeah, no, it was good seeing some friends and everything. Definitely, I wish I had less distractions so I could be able to talk to them more and get to know their builds and everything. But there's always a next time for sure, guys, that we're gonna bring them onto the channel. Oh, it was a busy night. It was a good day. It turned out a lot of fun. People were smiling, people were laughing. That's all that mattered at the end of the day. Bars update. So I did cut it off in the last video. Thank you to all you guys who have mentioned that to me. And what it went down is I edited it and I forgot to include the clip. Basically, I left the car on the street. I took off what I needed to take off, and yes, I could junk it for more money and get money back and whatever, but it's just a matter of getting that time to actually do that. Most of the time is spent as much as I can to get the Fiat running, and of course, you know, it's just troubleshooting, diagnosing. I tried everything, guys, spark plugs, etc. The list goes on with the 2015 Abarth, and that's a nice G. But you know, it's a progress. It's a work in progress for sure. And you know, there's not enough time for the other build, so sadly, I did have to just try to scrap that one as quick as possible. But yeah, enough of me talking, guys. We'll head over there and we'll catch you guys at the hangar. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody, we have made it to the city of Long Beach at the hangar area, and already it's looking nice and popping. It's only about 30 minutes into the meet, maybe about 40, but let's go ahead and walk around and of course enjoy all these beautiful whips, get some rollers, and maybe even get to talk to people. I did forget my cards today, which sucks, but it's okay. Let's go and enjoy these vehicles, man. Dang. Dang. I mean, the guy's an FD driver. I'm pretty sure you gotta allow him the special treatment to. Gotta allow him the special treatment to pull in at least. Come on, sir. Don't get so butthurt. Check out these wheels on this Mercedes though, real quick. Get them mangoes, bro. Sheesh. Can't even see because the sun's sitting bright. But no, guys, this meet is pretty cool, man. It's pretty laid back. It's gonna be one day, one event. I got a lot of stuff to do with Penny. Not this Penny, but the Penny at home. I don't know if you guys seen this Dunkin' Donut thing, but it's bugging me. It's, you know how Latina moms get down with their mornings or something like that on TikTok. But yeah, it's the most annoyingest commercial ever. See it all the time. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. If you guys are, please hit that subscription button if you made it this far. Comment down below what kind of build you guys like. I got everything over here. Bet you anything he's Philippine. He got Jollibee in the back. You already know Jollibee is the best place to go if you're Filipino. Some of these cars here, guys, I always say this in my videos, but this yellow one right here, I seen on the freeway. That was pretty cool. This was an R32 GTS, this sedan. Is it not sedan? Yeah. This one right here we've seen at Tuner Evil before. Both of them were actually there. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's up on the channel as well. And then you've got lowriders right here. Okay. Yeah, that video right there, guys, at 16K views, which is really nice. Oh man, he lost the fender. There's Stars and Tannis over there. Tony is here. All the boys showing off this morning. Of course, this is Formula D, their event. But I can tell you right now, no one can fill this a lot better than Cruising PCH. They literally had all the way to the end in the round filled with classic cars. Biggest Southern California classic car gathering that I know of. Oh yeah, that's Tony's car right there. But yeah, let's get back to those cinemas, huh?
Darren has made that shit.
We're going to see the twins.
Never made that shit.
Alright, and there you have it. I hope you guys did enjoy that content. Rolling around a bunch of cool cars all the way around. A lot of JDM classics, a lot of muscle cars. I love the mix over here. Definitely a good mix of previous cars we did see, from even car spotting down to just Tuner Evo. And you know, there was another show this morning, the Cars and Coffee Classics. We're not gonna make it there. I gotta head back home and start working on that Fiat. It's a headache of a car, but you know what, I gotta get it started definitely. And this was definitely a very eventful morning here at the hangar. Now I did want to point out that the Formula FD people, like, they're cool, but they kind of don't care about the rules. I mean, that makes sense, you know, the Formula D, but I try to like ask them like, hey guys, can I just take a picture? They kind of just stood there and treated me like I was like a nobody. But it's alright, you know, it is what it is. You know, at the end of the day, it's like, it's you guys who make us. You know, if they didn't have us watching them drift their vehicles, yes, they had the talent, yes, they had the passion to put it out there, but if they didn't have us, ultimately, if I didn't have you guys as subscribers, we wouldn't be anywhere in life, right? So a little bit of respect goes a long way in the long run. But on that note, if you guys like the content, please hit that subscription button, hit that like button. We are very, very close to hitting 400 subscribers. It's gonna happen at the end of this month, April. Each and every month we hit 100 subscribers. So we're at 323 or 300 and something like that. But we are getting very close to 400. So hit that subscription button for sure. Help your boy out. And let's grow in 2023. And of course, stay safe and stay chill.